Allow me introduce myself. My name is Jonatan Siahaan. I'm from 12th grade, Science 1. Today, I will make a text procedure video about how to make scrambled eggs.
The ingredient is 2 eggs and a pinch of salt and a little bit cooking oil. First, crack the eggs into a small bowl. Next, add a pinch of salt. And mix until all well blended. Next step is pour a little cooking oil into the pan and turn on the heat. Pour the eggs and for around 20 seconds, do not stir it. After 20 seconds, fold the eggs to the center and stir it with spatula. Repeat the previous step until all the eggs are mostly cooked. Last step, if the eggs look cooked, turn off the heat. Now, the scrambled eggs are ready to eat.